The AT I chose to highlight in this project is on an app called 3030. 3030 is a productivity app that uses task-based time management. On the app, you can add tasks and assign them timers. Tasks can be rearranged, reset, and adjusted for whatever need you may have. Here are a couple of different examples of the apps, how to use it, examples. We'll get more into that as the slides go on. So how does it work and how does it function? So these two pictures show two different timers that you can set up on your app. 3030 works by allowing you to input different tasks you need to complete as well as time limits. Each task is assigned an amount of time and the tasks are shown below. The task can also be helpful for scheduling in breaks, medication, and time management, things like to eat and all that. One really big thing that I like about this app is that it's user-friendly. 3030 is a touchscreen-based interface that would be used on a phone, iPad, or touchscreen computer. You can use touch to move tasks, tap to edit, swipe to delete, shake to undo, tap to start, stop, or pause. Tasks can be easily moved up and down on the task list, and these icons below are some different icons you can assign on your timers instead of just font, but you do have a keyboard that is accessible. To use this for transitions. So one big thing that I was thinking about transitions is like coming into college. When you go into college and you move into your parents' house or move out from your parents' house, you have all these new things that you have to keep track of. And while you might have been on top of it before, now you have to keep track of your own food, you have to keep track of your own bedtime, things like that. So some skills for college and living on your own are time management, focus, and sleep. Managing a new schedule can be difficult, as well as managing your needs and how they fit into that schedule. So every student or every person who uses AT is going to have different needs and different things that they have to be accountable for. Some of those things might be medicine, food, your class schedule. You may have to learn how to study on your own, work and money management, cleaning. One thing that I was thinking about is just coming into like a college setting. You move away from home. Let's say you don't have your parents, you're on your own, you have to advocate for yourself. Using a timer app to organize all the tasks you have can make it slightly easier just to manage all that, having a new schedule. So the age groups for this, I thought 3030 originally for college, but it could also work as so far as middle school. It can be an app that you use starting as early as middle school when you become more responsible. You have planners, you have tasks, you have assignments that you take home at night, and having an app that helps you manage your time can be great. For academic content, this app isn't really meant for one area of academic content. It's for more organizing tasks, homework assignments, and to-do items. It can be utilized to focus on different content. One thing I thought about was if you have math homework to do, what do you have to complete? You can put one timer factoring, one timer for fractions, one timer for half of the assignment, and then you take a break to eat, and then you go back to the second half. Or maybe you're writing an essay and you want it to use it for your layout. You can have 15 minutes to do your thesis statement, 15 minutes to find your quotes from whatever book you're writing about, and then like an hour to write body paragraph 1 and then a break. You can use it for content, even if it's not the main purpose. What students could use this? 3030 is meant to be generally accessible to every user, but I had to put in that not every user can access touchscreen, or maybe that's all they can access. It's not going to be perfect for every user. But when I was thinking about this, I thought about myself because I suck at time management. It's one of my biggest flaws as a student with ADHD. Lots of students with ADHD have time blindness, so they don't know how much time is passing when it's passing. And so having an app where you can put in all of your tasks and a timer and see how much you can get done or organize that better, it can be particularly helpful. And then I thought students with autism spectrum disorder would also have time to use this. You could regulate your skills more. You could have everything organized in a list. And then anxiety. It can take away some of those anxiety disorder. It can help with some of those anxiety disorders and regulate those emotions and worries that come with that. So how do you access the app? 3030 is an iOS and Apple. Here's that link for that. but because it's only on iOS, it's not accessible for Android devices. So I found a couple other similar apps that can also help. There's a couple fun ones, like the third one down the list, the Forest app. It's really cute, it's really pretty, and then Toggle is a good one. These are all for focusing and organizing, different apps where you can put in your tasks, have a timer, get things done. Love it.